Hi guys, it's Seny and Tamica.
It's us.
From Sisterssavingucents.
And welcome back to Scent Savers. We are here at the pub. It is, what's the day?
7-8.
I don't know. I don't have a 7-8.
It is 7-8, y'all.
This goes, what's these deals go to?
7-14.
7-8 to 7-14.
Y'all, we will be halfway through July when this list is over. And y'all, I just started a countdown today for my birthday. My birthday is 42 days away, which is kind of crazy.
That's real deep. 42
days, sis.
Okay.
I'm going to be 34 in 42 days.
Yeah.
That's...
She still ain't nowhere yet. She got a little while.
That's still old, sis. I'm so sorry. It's old. You're not that old. I'm old. You're not. You're not. Like, people think we're sisters for real, but to me, they think that we're like...
No, they think that I'm her mother.
No, but then when we're with mom, they think we're all sisters. And that clearly pisses me off because I am not that old. Okay? I'm not as old as mom.
Yeah, but we're very close in age.
We are close in age. It's kind of crazy.
Mm-hmm.
And that's why. Yeah. But anyways, dang, sis, that means my age inverted is your age.
I don't even know what she's
43, 34, 43.
Oh.
You get what I'm saying?
Maybe it's our special year.
Oh my gosh, what does that mean?
Hopefully it means we get some money. We might need to play that backwards. All right,
anyways, if you would like to buy us a coffee, I went to 7 Brew this morning. You want to know what my order was? Because they don't do stickers. So this is a 7 Energy with white chocolate, mango, passion fruit, and pineapple.
So you got a fruit punch.
This is so good. Like, when I tell y'all, if you... my favorite is just tropical flavors. I don't like any of the berry flavors at 7 Brew. They use Torani syrup. So, like, if you like the Torani flavors, great. But if you don't... And I've learned I don't like their cherry or strawberry, none of that stuff. So,
yeah, I don't know.
Anywho.
Whatever she said. She about to be hollering and I'm about to be asleep.
I am, but you know, Tamika, this is a slow burn. I'm about to get a cookie, and I don't need a cookie. But that's the only way it's going to... Oh, no.
Balloon. I'm tired.
Last week's deal. I've been eating these. This is my car box. It's my car box.
Yeah, I'm not trying to precipitate her activities, okay? But anyway, we got some deals. It looks a little bit not as good as last week, but we do have some deals and we have some freebies. We do have one deal that ends today. You need to make sure you do it if you're not in Florida. In Florida, it's still gonna be a deal for you tomorrow if you have the fetch. So, but it's not gonna be free like this one. It's gonna be super free. So, all right, guys. That's all we got. We need to get on in here before these people come.
Do we have any bonuses right now?
I just got a regular one. It may be something out there, but I don't have it.
Mine's 5 for 10. It's not bad.
Mine's 5 for 18, I believe.
All right, let's go.
Let's go get these deals. Here with the General Mills fruit snacks, make sure you scan where you're supposed to, okay?
Yeah.
These are $3.75. BOGO, you're going to pick up 2. Sis has 55 cents on 2 on fetch. Y'all see that?
Yep.
Okay. Check and see what you got.
Yep.
Okay?
You may or may not have it.
We have 75 cents on 2 on Ibotta.
Yep.
And you're going to go over to your Publix app. You got 50 cents back on 2.
Yep.
If you got all that, it's going to make a $1.95 or 97 cents each, which is old school pricing.
Yep. It's a great deal.
That's back in the day.
Yeah, back in the day. Pick it on up. Y'all, we're here with the hot ones now. It's select hot ones, so make sure you keep that in mind. These are $6.99. Buy one, get one free. We're picking up 1 for $3.49. We have $2 back on Ibotta. Limit of 1 ends up making this just $1.49. Hey, we're here. No, sometimes I have my darkness down.
Okay, y'all, we back. Okay, we got a lot of Barilla deals. So let's first start with the easiest one, which is the regular pasta at $1.89.
Buy one, get one free.
Thank you. My lips got time. $7.50 on 2 on fetch.
Yep.
Okay. That's going to make them $1.24 for 2 or 62 cents each. Great deal.
This is a great deal, so pick it up if you need it for real.
All right, next one.
Okay.
Here with this gluten-free pasta, and I want to say fetch is crazy. Okay. Anyway, these are $3.19 for the sake of the rebates we have. You're going to pick up 3. We're in North Carolina. Okay, so picking up 3 will be $4.78.
Yep.
Okay. First of all, we have this. This is 2.5 cents per dollar. That's gonna get 11 cents.
Yeah.
Jesus. Okay. Then we have. Hold on. Buy 3, get 2,500. That's $2.50.
Yep.
Then you're gonna go down here and you're gonna get $7.50 just for being at Publix. Okay, 3 times.
Yeah, 3 times.
That's gonna make all 3 free plus an 8-cent moneymaker.
It's a really great deal. We don't get deals like this on gluten-free pasta, so I definitely will pick it up. We're here with this tortellini Barilla pasta. Now, these are priced at $5.99. They're buy one, get one free. You can pick up one, you can pick up two. It's completely up to you, okay? So if we pick up one, it's gonna be $2.99. We do have 2,000 points back on Fetch, which is gonna be $2. And then we have 5 cents per dollar, which is gonna give us back 14 cents, making this 85 cents. It's not a bad deal. It's actually a pretty good deal considering we don't never get deals on these. So pick it on up. We have the pesto. This is the Barilla brand, y'all. We do have two different variations. They're $4.29, buy one get one free. One is $2.14. We have a $1.50 digital coupon. How much does that make it, sis?
64 cents.
64 cents. That's not a bad deal. We haven't had deals on this in a while. Oh, sis made me do the math on these Keeblers. Let me tell you something. We've been really struggling with math here for the last week with all these big threshold deals, because sometimes it's like, is that going to work or does that not work? But anyways, that's neither here nor there. No, but we're here. We do better.
Still have this coupon.
Yes, these are $4.40. You need to pick up 6 of them. What is the subtotal? 26.40. 26.40 is the subtotal. We're only going to pay half of that, which is going to be $13.20. We have this $5 when you spend $25. This is the one that's on the bomb pops.
So this
it's
is
not going to show it.
And it opens.
Yeah,
it closes on whatever. 10th.
The 10th expires.
Thank you.
Okay, if you end up using that, it'll end up making them what?
$8.20 for.
$8.20 for 6
or
$1.36 each.
Yeah, hopefully y'all kept this coupon if you didn't buy the bomb pops. This is great if you got kids
We
at the
have
house.
not had deals on Keebler in so long. The last time I remember us having a deal was at Walmart, and that had to be at least a year and a half ago. At least.
2 years, probably.
Yes, so pick it on up, y'all.
Listen, y'all, now we know you probably ain't got this Fetch left, okay, because we didn't use this Fetch 4 to 6 stores, most of Walmart. But anyway, if you do, and you didn't do this last week, these are buy 2 get 1 free this week at $4.29 each. So buying 3 will be $8.58. We have that $1.79 digital, okay?
Yep.
Then you're gonna go to Fetch and get back 6,000 points, okay? 2,000 for each bag. That will make them 79
cents for 3,
or 27 cents each, which is cheaper than last week. But
yeah, this is a great deal.
If you still have it,
there you go.
Y'all, this is a good deal on this Greenfield. Now, this is $8.99 BOGO. We end up coming, I'm gonna pick up one. We got 5 cents back on our bottle. Why? I don't know.
Just 5 cents. But it's okay. Get your 5.
$2 on Publix app.
Yeah.
That's gonna make this $2.44.
Great deal. Pick it up. Hey, we're here with the Friskies. Now, we talked about this yesterday. They are $5.99, buy one, get one free. We do have a 2 off of 2 digital coupon. That makes these $3.99 each. I mean, for 2 or $1.99 each. Y'all, this is a good deal, and I'm tired. Okay, bye.
We are here with the Frites
Fancy Feast Gems.
Thank you. $2.50, buy one, get one free. Picking up 2. $1 off of 2 digital coupon.
Yep.
2 whole 25-cent bottles.
Yep.
That's gonna make them $1.50 each.
$1.50 each.
$1.50 each.
Oh, that's better. Okay, pick it on up. Hey, we're here with the sparkle paper towels that are on sale this week for $6.49, which low-key is almost half. That's great. We have a $2.50 digital coupon. That ends up making them how much?
$3.99. And listen, if you got that 50 cent clipped off, I don't know what's gonna happen.
Yeah.
So I'm not picking them up because guess what? I'm sure that's gonna come off.
That 50 cent definitely coming off.
Yeah, pick it on up. If you
All
need
right,
to.
there you go.
We're here with the Febreze. It's priced 2 for $7 this week. You don't pick up 2. We have a $3.50 off of 2 digital. So you know what that means? Makes them $3.50 or $1.74 each. Y'all just deal with
That's
everywhere.
not too bad.
So if you ain't got Febreze everybody now, go and pick it up. That's pretty much what it is everywhere.
Yep, pick it on up. Okay.
Y'all, she got me up here talking a lot. Anyway, we are here with the now we're picking up 1 regular and 1 hydrating, okay?
Y'all see
They're
that?
2 for $5 this week. We have a $1.50 off of 2 digital. Then we have a 25-cent Ibotta on one and a 50-cent Ibotta on the other one.
Yep.
Okay? After we do all that, it's gonna make them $2.75 for 2 or $1.38 each. We
Not
think that's
too
pretty
bad.
good deal.
Not too bad. Here, this is the cheap toothpaste. Y'all already know what the deal is. These are buy one get one free this week at $2.99. Y'all see that? This is
pick up one,
just one, but
$1.49.
these is the 2 that work. Yep. And then we have $2 back on Ibotta, limit of 1 if you haven't already used it, but it has been resetting.
Makes it free plus a 51-cent money maker.
Y'all got it.
We done figure out another deal you can use for that $2 Crest if you don't want that big old toothpaste.
That's what I'm saying.
Now these 2 only.
Yep.
Kids toothpaste is $2.49. You're gonna pick up 3 for $7.47.
Yep.
We have 5 off of 3 on
Publix Digital. That's the new digital, y'all.
Good Lord, I can't talk.
Yeah, we can't. We're sorry.
Nope. Okay, hold on. And
Scan it.
Then on Ibotta,
Scan one of them.
I don't even know how that works. We have a $2 rebate, okay? That's going to make all 3 47 cents to 16 cents each.
This is a great deal. Pick it up.
The Almond Breeze, this is on sale 2 for $6. Pick up 1 for $3. We have a $1 digital, makes it $2.
That's
not
easy.
bad.
Pick it on up.
Okay, we're here with the I cannot believe
We can't believe it's not butter. It's
Thank
okay.
you. All 3 of these products qualify there at $3.75 BOGO. You're gonna pick up just one, okay?
Yep.
We have a $1 digital. That makes it $1.87 with the $1 digital.
Yep.
Makes it 87 cents.
This is good.
So it's a good one.
Especially if you need it. This deal is on the Pillsbury Grands, y'all. These are priced at $3.19. Buy one, get one free in our store. So you're going to go over to Fetch. We're picking up 2. We have 55 cents back on 2. That was the same one that we used for the... yep, there you go. And then I have 1,000 points back on 2 as well. Then you're going to go over to Publix app. We have $1 off of 2 digital. That ends up making these 64 cents or just 32 cents each.
With the dog stuff for your dogs, if they can give them a little treat. They $3.99 BOGO. We have 50 cents back on Ibotta. That's a limit of 5. That would make each one $1.99.
Yeah.
No, that ain't right.
No, it's...
$1.49.
Yeah.
Yep, my bad.
Per box is
each.
really good. Yeah, pick that on up. Here we are with the blue bunnies. These are $5.89. Buy one, get one free. We're picking up one at $2.94. We do have a 75-cent digital, making these just $2.19 this week.
With Ocean Spray, y'all know how this is. Now we have the cranberry, and here you can get the grapefruit. They are $4.99 regular price. You're gonna pick up 2 for $9.98. We have $9 back on 2 on Swagbucks.
Yep.
And we have $1.50 on checkout 51. That's gonna make them both free plus a 52-cent money maker.
It's a great deal. Hi guys. It's so hot to me.
Yeah, we didn't get much today. There's some deals to be had if you want to, but it ain't nothing to run. And like last week was hot fire.
I mean, last week was hot. We just have a lot of BOGOs.
Couple BOGOs.
Yeah.
My total was a little high.
Yeah, mine was only $5 because I got 6 items.
I got
That's actually not bad. No, I got 5 items. That's not bad, sis.
Tortillas that was on sale.
To BOGO stuff, yeah. So it's an okay week. It's definitely worth coming if you need some things. If there's something on the list that you feel like you want to get, then definitely get that. Sis, do we got anything that we got to tell them?
No, but I do feel like we may get more digitals as we go on for Publix.
Yeah, I do feel that. It does feel like one of those
expiring,
weeks.
So we'll see. It might be one of those weeks, but you do have, have a reason to pick up some stuff. There's some good stuff.
Absolutely. Yeah. So, anywho, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We love y'all. Stay hydrated out here.
Make sure you hype this video up and make sure you follow us everywhere so you never miss a deal, okay?
All right.
We'll see you on the next one.
Bye y'all. Guys.